What's up, John?
Hey,
How you
dude,
doing,
good
man?
to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Good to have you out here in LA.
I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and I'm here with John Crestani, who is one of my mentors. So today we're going to start a 5-part series, and we're going to tell everybody out there, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing because you were one of my mentors. I got into your program about 4 years ago. Probably one of the, not everybody takes your knowledge and rolls with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you have like a handful of really, what would you consider top students, and I would probably consider myself one of the top students.
Definitely.
And, so I want to take, the viewers out there along the journey of, if you wanted to get into affiliate marketing today, for example, you wanted to get started with you or me or anybody, just anybody out there that is affiliate marketing, take them along the journey of turning, yourself into just a newbie into a successful business owner, okay, which is what I've done and you've done in this business. Yep. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Let's talk about that.
Sure. So affiliate marketing is, what it is you're basically just doing commission-only marketing. You're selling products for companies and you're receiving a commission for it. It's no different than the door-to-door salespeople of the past that were selling life insurance, or it's no different than they were going door-to-door knocking and selling life insurance and getting a commission if they sold it, and if they don't sell it, you don't get a commission. And it depends on what your sales message is and how well you are talking to people. The only difference from those people or telemarketers is we're just doing it on the internet. And instead of talking to people door to door, we're putting up either little ads or little what are called landing pages or blog posts or videos. And if our videos or our blog posts do a better job of selling people, we get a commission.
Because every business needs leads. They need customers.
Yeah.
So without, back in the day, the old school way, and I still get people that come to my door and bang on my door and they're like, hey, will you change your cable company or buy this meat or something? So it still exists. But in the modern world, affiliate marketing is basically generating calls, emails, anything that can basically be turned into
signups, app installs, any sort of,
anything that can be turned into a lifeblood of a business, which is a lead. Okay, so interesting. So if you were in the affiliate marketing world right now, what would you do to kind of what would be your first step?
So the first steps to starting an affiliate marketing business or something, one is you have to figure out what you want to do. Figure out your niche. Whatever your niche, what do you want to be selling online would be a good place to start.
What are some good niches? I know there's the big three: the health, the wealth, and the relationship niches.
Health, wealth, and relationships.
Those are the big three.
If you want to teach people how to make money,
right?
Do you want to, or save money? It's either
that's
make
wealth.
or save money. That's wealth.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to teach, so you could be selling. You could be talking to people about credit cards or how to get how to get out of debt, or how to get out of student loan debt.
Okay.
Or you could be teaching people how to get a mortgage or how to refinance their mortgage.
Sure.
You could be teaching people how to make money online or how to make money with real
estate. Those would all fall into the wealth niche. Now, what about the health niche?
Health niche, you could, you just think of problems people have.
Okay.
So, you could maybe anti-anxiety pills. I have a lot of anxiety. Maybe there's sleep aids, so people, helping people go to sleep. Weight loss, is a big one.
Weight loss is obviously a problem in the United States.
And McDonald's isn't going away anytime soon. So weight loss is
humongous. But then there's also the flip side of people that are bodybuilders, that want testosterone,
muscle supplements, testosterone, stuff like that.
A little workout.
You've been working out, I think, a little bit.
But there's a whole other world of that too. There's the guys and the girls that want to do CrossFit and. Yoga,
gyms, gyms all pay commissions if you get people signed up for them.
And relationships are people that are maybe want to get a date, or people that are looking Christian daters. They want to date other Christians. They want maybe a Russian bride.
Somehow I got targeted by silversingles.com.
Silver Singles? What's that?
It's old.
The Silver Fox?
I don't know how I got retargeted for this site. I don't know.
But that's, what we're trying to say here is that the possibilities are literally endless. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to find something that resonates maybe with you, yourself, maybe a family member. It's something you're like somewhat passionate about or have some interest in, and you can basically go in that direction,
Yeah.
and you can make money in that direction.
Oh, dude, it's unbelievable. Anything online, you can if anything that people buy or any problem people have, there's a solution, and there are affiliate marketers selling it
Right.
and making commissions. And what's great about it is you don't have to worry about working with the products. You don't have to actually have any of them or ship anything. You don't have to worry about getting on phone calls with the clients. You don't have to provide any customer support. You don't have to carry inventory.
Right.
You don't have to do you don't have to do any of these things.
You just literally like buy traffic, convert it to a
Yeah,
lead, and
yeah.
you get paid.
There's nothing else you have to worry about. No support, no nothing. You can be anywhere, just wires going into your bank account. You don't even own a website. So yeah, it's pretty nuts.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's it for today's session, guys. We're going to see you in part 2. We'll talk to you later.